Good day, everyone. Welcome again to this channel. So we'll be going through how to make this flyer I made for one of my clients. How it's made. All right, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing you have to note is setting of the size, which is we are using the same size, a square size, or better still, let's make it 2000 times 2000, right? Oh, sorry, let's have 4000. Trying to increase the okay, that's no problem. We'll see, probably we'll have it done at the end of our video. Okay, let's just have it like this first. Okay, so we have to bring in the um before bringing in the background and every other things. I would love to set the flyer and everything in order. So I really love setting everything in order one by one before setting the background right there. Okay, so we have this, and we have this. It's a little bit big. Okay, also we can copy. We can have another one. The second picture of the sister. Can have it we can have it here. Okay, good. And we'll try to change the way she's facing so she can face the other side. Okay, let's check the size for this. Relative size 61. Okay, let's have it 6378. Okay, 6370. Okay, can we have 63? Let me check the size here. Did I crop it? Okay, let me just leave it. Okay, let me check the size again. Okay, so we have 6384, and this 6384 also, we have the same size set. Okay, so we work with the eraser tool to make some edits to make it blend with each other, and this as well, and also this one also will work well with it. The same thing we've done. No, awesome. Okay, so now let's work with the text. The text Hymnal Sunday. Hymnal. Okay, we're having Hymnal here. The font we'll be using is a kind of a chisel font. A chisel. We'll be using chisel black. Okay, so we're gonna enlarge it. We're going to enlarge it, and okay, so we can have something nice. Okay, now under this there is there is a color that I used, a gradient color I used. If you look at the flyer, this is the gradient color used, but let's check how the gradient color is made. We have white, normal color code of white, FFF, and we have the next one. The next color code is ADA, ADA, ADADAD. Awesome. And we have the next one. We have white, and we have this one also around 8F, 8F, 8F. So we have the next one, cancel. We have the next one also, which is not that white, for you to blend with the one next one coming, E8, E8, E8. All right, so that's the color code we'll be using for this image. Okay, and we have to copy. Let's copy this. Copy Hymnal Sunday. Okay, so um okay, so I think this one works well with it. I have to reduce this a bit. Awesome, awesome. Okay, so what next are we adding to the details? We can move this up a little bit and make sure they are both in the middle. Okay, and we can have this here and have this here, so it's going to show forth very well. So after setting all this, what we just have to add in the next thing is the setting of the other details. Okay, so we have with Boga Inner Sunday with Boga, we are using our font Montserrat Slim. We'll be using Montserrat semi bold rather. Montserrat semi bold with Boga, just reduce a little bit and fix it here. And we have copy every Sunday by 5 p.m. every Sunday 5 p.m. Okay, so and I would love to reduce that. Okay, no, text size reduced. And I want to import um the Facebook live we used, which should be under design. Should be under design tools. All right, and we should have it right here. Okay, so we'll be making use of this. All right, let's see. Oh, what's happening? Okay, just reduce the size and bring it down. Okay, a little bit up. Then we have the name of the Facebook handle. We have Oyin Babalola Oyin. Is it? We have Babalola Oyin. Okay, so so we have to import let's bring in the background. I think everything is set. I love setting the outline. It makes me see what I'm trying to set. Okay, so we have to bring in the background. Okay, before we have the background, let's have these musical notes. I really love setting with the black background here because it makes you see how your image will be and how everything will be well arranged, how the alignment is arranged. So after the alignment is arranged, you can start saying you want to work with the background or how to adjust one or two things. Okay, so we have to bring in the background. Where should I find this background? Okay, let's check here. Let's check here. Let's check. this background. I can find it anywhere. Anywhere here around okay, we'll still find it. It should be here. I'm very sure the background should be here. So we're trying to find the background of what we designed. The background the nine now use should be here now. No. I'm very sure my background should be here. Is it still here? Oh, have I missed it? There's this kind of background I used. Okay, probably we'll have to find another background to use. Why can't I find the same background again? I'm trying to find the background though. Not to waste much of our time, we'll have to look for another background to use for the design. Since you're unable to locate that background, that's no problem. We have to use another background to make the design. So I'm trying to look for a better background right now that will relate well with. Okay, so I think we can use one of these just in case. But the concept is using color blue because of number one, the flyer will be used is a Facebook live something, and also it's something that because of the hymnal stuff that is there, the hymnal Sunday service, it would be nice if a blue background is used. So and because of the color of the image we used, because there must be always a reason why a background is used, not just used because we feel like using this particular background, no, but we also have to look at the flyer and the elements on what we are designing. So when you are designing church designs, you don't just use any background just because you feel this is nice or this is okay. So you use background based on what the program is on, and what the how the flyer is really. You can see this blue background really work well with what we are having here. So I'm trying to reduce the brightness of the background and increasing the contrast, so that what we want to see is the person's image and the theme. Okay, so and to in order to make the theme looks more okay, Hymnal Sunday, we have to use let's use our 3D effect. Okay, and we are going to use oblique, and the first thing to off when using 3D effects, you can see that the 3D is scattering. So the first thing to do to off that is the stimulating lightning. The stimulate lightning, sorry. Okay, so once we have it, we can see it's set, and we have to reduce the depth to 1, and the darkening to 90. I love it at 90. Okay, and we have the angle at the angle we want to do, and the same it also goes for this as well. 3D effect, enable oblique, the first thing of the stimulate lightning, and set the darkening to 90, and reduce everything to, okay, let me reduce it to 1. Okay, so, and also to really have it, let's have a drop shadow effect, drop shadow, and blur radius 5, and also this same one, a drop shadow and blur radius of 5. Okay, so, and what next? We have to bring in the let's bring in the,
She sensed it. Ah,
oh, sorry.
I think you should withdraw, pull back.
Okay, let's bring in the image, the trumpet we used. It can be found in trumpet, 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 trumpets. Probably let's check photo room. Okay, you should be in photo room. If I'll check, I'm not sure. Oh, it's not yet. Okay, let's check design tools. Okay, it should be here. Design tools, trumpets. Okay, awesome. And we used this. Okay, so we can make use of this to really look well, because it's something hymnal, right? Just reduce the size. Okay, let's select another trumpet. Oh, be lifted. Okay, let's check design tools the same way. We should find a better trumpet to use on the design, so it's going to look nice. Let's use this. I think this was the one we used in the first place. Awesome. This was what we used. Okay, so we got to reduce it, and probably make this appear here. Okay, awesome. Okay, and no, so we have to let's increase the size of this. Okay, good. And now also increase the size. Good. And we have this to come here, and we can copy. No, we can copy it. Okay, let's check the, so that we can have around the same color, then we can copy it. Oh, copy, then cropping should go like this. No. Okay. The same way we're having something like that. So this Facebook, we can increase the size. Babalawi and text size. Can we have a text background? Let it move into this. Good. And this one should come up. Okay, so we have this set. Okay, and okay, so I think this is nice, and it's fine. So we have to, let me lock this. Every Sunday 5 p.m. increase a little. Awesome, 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 awesome. Okay, so and we set up our, we just have to save up what we've done, and the other thing, let's have YouTube. Let's have video one, video. Oh, let me not save it yet. Okay, so we have the image. Let's save it as image. And what I was trying to do the other time, if you watch the video, is to set it at a particular custom, which is 4,000 times 4,000, and PNG. So save to gallery to have the size very okay. So we're going to move it from here. I'm going to move it to Snapseed, where we are going to make the final and the adjustment of it. So you can try to use your, you can try to move it to Snapseed or PixArt or whatever editing, or Lightroom, whatever editing you want. So you can get the concept of what we are trying to create, about the feeling of the color moving along with the background, and also moving along with the clothes, and moving along with what the theme is about. So one thing about church flyers, you need to understand the theme, and understand the background you want to use. With that, you will be able to pull out something nice for it. All right, see you in the next tutorial. God bless you. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, Church Design Academy. See you.